Day 12 of my Irish coast cycle, so an early start from Allilhes, heading up into the hills and along to head to Bantry, but first of all stopping in Castletownbere for a takeaway coffee and, if I remember correctly, a breakfast roll. But before leaving the Beara Peninsula, I got a last swim in just above Castletownbere. I stopped at Adrigole at the very top of the Beara Peninsula to get a view looking back down towards Hungry Hill. This is the highest mountain on the peninsula. It's also where the Connor Pass winds its way up across to the other side, a route I have yet to cycle. And then I had a very exciting downhill descent with a 60km/h speed limit set. As you can see, it was a very straight road with no traffic, hence I felt confident taking my fingers off the brakes entirely for a bit. Then it was around by the beauty of Glengarrif and the worst steak I've had to date, deep fried, believe it or not, before heading around for Bantry. And the B&B I had decided to book in because I was still quite a bit behind on my sleep. Top tip here for cycle touring or bike packing: make sure you've actually got a good sleeping mat. If it saves you from having to pay for B&Bs, it pays for itself, even if it's expensive. Check out my link for what I'm currently using. This B&B even came with its own miniature stone circle. Pretty impressive. I popped out for a pizza in the nearest pub and then decided I might as well cycle some of the way down the Sheep's Head Peninsula. It was the one peninsula of the lot that I was not doing in totality. I'm going to have to come back and do it again because the part I cycled down, which was probably the upper third or so, was extremely beautiful. It's a very popular long distance walking spot. I do hope you're enjoying these day-by-day video diaries. Do give the channel a follow so you get to see my future adventures, and please do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.